Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user engagement with PushEngage, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start automating user engagement with PushEngage, first, visit the official PushEngage website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into your PushEngage account. Next, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find the Website section. Click on Add Website to begin integrating PushEngage with your site. Enter your website URL and choose your platform type. After that, click on Add Website to save your details. Now, you will be given a code snippet. Copy this code snippet to your clipboard. Go to your website's HTML code. Paste the PushEngage code snippet before the closing body tag. Once the code is added, return to the PushEngage dashboard. Next, visit the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start building your first push notification. Choose the type of campaign you'd like to create, such as welcome messages or promotions. Fill in the necessary fields, including the title and message of your notification. You can also customize the appearance with images and call-to-action buttons. Once your content is ready, select the target audience for your notification. After selecting your audience, set a schedule for when the notification will be sent. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Finally, review your campaign settings and click on Launch Campaign. Congratulations, you have successfully automated user engagement using PushEngage. Monitor the performance of your notifications through the Analytics section in the dashboard. This will help you refine and improve future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.